Hey everyone! Have you ever dreamed of speaking English smoothly and naturally, as if it were your first language? Today, I'll show you a simple but powerful method to help you get there. It's called shadowing. How it works. First, I will say a sentence slowly and clearly. Just listen. Then, there will be a short pause. Next, I will say the same sentence at a normal, natural speed. This is your turn. Your job is to repeat the sentence immediately after me, like an echo. Try to copy my rhythm, speed, and pronunciation. Let's try it right now with 3 simple examples. Example 1. I like to learn English. I like to learn English. Example 2. It is a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Example 3. Let's practice together. Let's practice together. Great job! Now you understand the method. Let's start our main practice. Remember, listen and then echo me. Don't think too much. Just try to copy the sound. Part 1. How I started. I want to tell you my story. I want to tell you my story. My English was slow before. My English was slow before. I could read but not speak well. I could read but not speak well. My teacher told me about shadowing. My teacher told me about shadowing. You listen and repeat right away. You listen and repeat right away. Try to copy the speaker. Try to copy the speaker. It is like being in a movie. It is like being in a movie. I found a video online. I found a video online. A man talked about his morning. A man talked about his morning. I listened to one sentence. I listened to one sentence. Then I said the same sentence. Then I said the same sentence. My voice sounded strange. My voice sounded strange. The words were too fast. The words were too fast. But I continued for 1 week. But I continued for 1 week. I practiced every morning. I practiced every morning. After a few days, it changed. After a few days, it changed. My mouth remembered the words. My mouth remembered the words. Some sentences were easier. Some sentences were easier. I heard small words better. I heard small words better. Native speakers connect words. Native speakers connect words. They say gonna, not going to. They say gonna, not going to. This was important for me. This was important for me. Shadowing showed me real English. Shadowing showed me real English. It is not only from books. It is not only from books. English has its own music. English has its own music. Part 2. My progress. After 2 weeks, I practiced more. After 2 weeks, I practiced more. I used a TV show. I used a TV show. The people spoke faster. The people spoke faster. It was difficult at first. It was difficult at first. They used simple slang. They used simple slang. I took very short sentences. I took very short sentences. I listened many times. I listened many times. I copied the feeling too. I copied the feeling too. Was the person happy or sad? Was the person happy or sad? I repeated with the same feeling. I repeated with the same feeling. It became more fun. It became more fun. My ears got better. My ears got better. My pronunciation improved. My pronunciation improved. My friends noticed the change. My friends noticed the change. I felt more confident in class. I felt more confident in class. I was not afraid of mistakes. I was not afraid of mistakes. Shadowing gave me muscle memory. Shadowing gave me muscle memory. Sometimes words just came out. Sometimes words just came out. They were ready to use. They were ready to use. I learned phrases from real life. I learned phrases from real life. I stopped translating in my head. I stopped translating in my head. I started thinking in English. I started thinking in English. This helped my fluency a lot. This helped my fluency a lot. You need patience for this. You need patience for this. But the result is very good. But the result is very good. Part 3. My advice for you. Now I want to help you. Now I want to help you. You can start this method. You can start this method. Use podcasts or videos. Use podcasts or videos. Choose topics you like. Choose topics you like. Start with 5 minutes a day. Start with 5 minutes a day. Be consistent, not perfect. Be consistent, not perfect. Do not worry about sounding funny. Do not worry about sounding funny. Everyone sounds funny at first. Everyone sounds funny at first. It means you are learning. It means you are learning. Focus on the rhythm of sentences. Focus on the rhythm of sentences. Be an echo, not a robot. Be an echo, not a robot. Imagine you are the speaker. Imagine you are the speaker. It helps with confidence. It helps with confidence. In a few weeks, you will see changes. In a few weeks, you will see changes. Your listening will get better. Your listening will get better. You will understand natives more. You will understand natives more. Your speech will be more natural. Your speech will be more natural. You will use phrases easily. You will use phrases easily. This method builds real fluency. This method builds real fluency. Remember, small steps are important. Remember, small steps are important. Be patient with yourself. Be patient with yourself. Every repetition helps you. Every repetition helps you. You train your language muscles. You train your language muscles. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. You can start today. You can start today. Excellent work! You did a fantastic job today. That was a lot of practice, and you did it. Remember, doing a little shadowing every day is the key. It trains your mouth muscles and your ears to the rhythm of English. Don't worry about mistakes, just try to copy the sound. You are already becoming a more confident speaker. Keep practicing, believe in yourself, and you will see amazing progress. Thank you for practicing with me today. You are doing great. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.